What's up everyone, Arif here, and welcome back to the first fire of my AnyCubic Kobra 2 Pro 3D printer. So we've already unboxed it, we've already assembled it, now it's time for the first fire. You should really do the cable management too. You'll have a bag of clips here that you can do that with. I don't personally care all too much right now. I just want to make sure the damn thing turns on. So before you fire, you want to check, make sure the print head's not like shaking, make sure the table is not shaking. Once you've confirmed those two things, you want to take your power cable and you're going to plug it into the opening on the side here. Now we're going to flip the power switch. Well, there's a good sign. We got activity on the LCD over here. Let's get this thing set up now. So we're going to click next. We're going to say it's global. Now we're going to attach it to the network. So we're going to click my Little Rex Wi-Fi here. You're going to see this really odd looking keyboard. So I guess you get to pick your letters. So I'm just going to enter it in from here. Where the hell's the caps lock key? Oh, here we go. That's a unique design. Okay, connecting to the Wi-Fi. The viewing angles on this is very poor in person. But if you're looking at it head on, it looks great. Okay, so we can see that we're now attached. Perfect. So now you can install the AnyCubic app if you want it. We're gonna skip this for now. And now we're ready to use our 3D printer. Start operation guide, sure. So insert the U-disc correctly into, as you see in the diagram. You might be wondering what the hell is a U-disc? I believe they're talking about this right here. It came with the packaging. So we're going to just insert that into one of these USB ports. Okay. So next. You can see it's trying to level itself off and self-calibrate. That's good to know. This is the time when you really should do the cable management. As you can see on the screen, it's doing X detection, Y detection, Z detection. Now it's saying it's finished. So now we're going to start the preheating process. Probably need some filament to go into here. Looks like the probing is done. Let's hit finish. So insert the filament into the head according to the diagram. Okay, and until the filament is extruded. Okay, so it literally says just force feed it. Treat it like a sorority girl, I guess. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's slowly taking it though. There you go. Oh god, it's pooping, it's pooping, it's pooping, it's pooping, it's pooping. Okay, probably should get the... Ooh, table's hot. Okay, well, it looks like it is extruded. I'm not wild about where it's doing it. There we go. A little bit more. Get that transparent blue going. Yeah, okay, cool. Now we can click next. It is about to start a resonance compensation. The printer is smooth and avoid... Okay. That is such a cool thing, man. My first printer never did this. That's awesome. Okay, the resonance detection is done. Let's click finished. Print the model. It looks like it's a shark, so yeah, sure, go for it. Okay, we're gonna print our first model. Let's see how it looks. Yo, what the hell is this actual speed, bro? This thing is counting its bitch ass up in real time. Look at that! That's wild! What the actual fuck is this? What happened here? Bro, this is awful. Oh my god. This is terrible. Is this PLA? Maybe I used the wrong type of filament. This is awful though. There are shards. Yo, this thing looks like it got ran through a buzzsaw. Look at that. Okay, well, that is the first fire of the AnyCubic Kobra 2 Pro. There's going to be a lot of dialing in that has to be done to get this monstrosity fixed. But at least we turned it on, and at least we set it up. So there's that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, hit that sub button, leave a comment, and if you got suggestions on what to fix for this, you let me know, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.